whoa. Hold up. You were out of control, bro.
What? We know you're descended from King Arthur's bloodline. Everything I'm saying could have happened.
Yeah, could have. What is Hope doing there exactly?
I got carried away. Look, I don't understand how you're not into this. If I knew I was descended from kings...
That's always been the difference between you and me, Lan. You've always wanted to be special. I've just wanted to be normal. Have a home, friends, and a family. And look, now that we have that, I don't need some fantasy role-playing to tell me where I come from.
This is history.
And after all we've been through, look, I'm done looking back.
Okay, fine. Can you just give me my book back, please?
This book?
Yes, that book. Let me get...
Just give me the... Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, now we're here. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Stop!
What?